How to buy electronics from Uzum Market. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website at uzum.uz. Next, log into your account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the electronics category from the home page to browse a wide range of products including smartphones, laptops, headphones, cameras, and other electronic gadgets. You can use filters to narrow down your search by brand, price range, ratings, and other specifications to find the perfect electronics that meet your needs. Click on a product to open its details page where you can read the description, check technical specifications, view images, and read customer reviews to make an informed decision. Once you have selected the product you want to buy, click on Add to Cart. You can continue shopping for more electronics or proceed to checkout. At checkout, review your order, select the payment method, and confirm your purchase. After completing your payment, you will receive an order confirmation and can track your delivery through the My Order section. Now you know how to buy electronics from Uzum Market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.